Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Soumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss noun, gender. So, let's start. You have learned that nouns can be divided into 4 genders. Students, in the previous video classes, we have studied that nouns can be divided into 4 genders. First one is masculine gender. Second one is feminine gender. Third is common gender. And fourth and last one is neuter gender. Now let's discuss one by one each kind of gender. Firstly, what is masculine gender? Nouns that stand for boys, men and male animals are said to be in the masculine gender. For example, brother, father, lion. So students, such nouns that stands for boys, men and male animals, these are called masculine gender. Boys, brother, men, father and male animals, lion. Now come to the second, what is feminine gender? Nouns that stand for girls, women and male animals are said to be in the feminine gender. For example, sister, mother, lioness. Girls means sister, women, mother is women, female animals, lioness. Students, in above we have read male animals, lion and female animal, lioness. Okay, and so on. These are called feminine gender. Now come to the next, what is common gender? Nouns that stands for either male or female are said to be in the common gender. Students, such nouns that stand for either male or female are said to be in the common gender. For example, child, doctor, friend, student, children. Okay, students, by child word we cannot imagine the idea if we are talking about a male child or female child. So it is a common gender. By doctor the word we cannot imagine the idea that if we are talking about a male doctor or female doctor. So it is a common gender. Friend can be either male or female. So it is also a common gender. Now last, fourth one is neuter gender. Now what is neuter gender? Nouns that are names of non-living things and are neither masculine nor feminine are said to be in the neuter gender. For example, chair, computer, notebook. Students, there are some nouns, okay, which are non-living things. Okay, they are neither masculine nor feminine. Okay, these are called neuter gender. Non-living things are called neuter gender in simple language. Next, for example, chair is non-living things, computer is non-living, notebook is non-living. So these are neuter gender. Now let's discuss some animal and their masculine and feminine gender. Cattle, masculine gender bull and feminine gender is cow. chicken. Masculine gender is rooster and feminine gender is hen. Fox. Masculine gender is fox and feminine gender is vixen. Animal is pig, and what is the masculine of pig is boar, feminine is sow. Horse. What is the masculine of horse is stallion. Next, feminine is mare. Sheep. Masculine is ram, feminine is ewe. Duck. Masculine is rat, feminine is duck. Cat. Masculine is tomcat, feminine is queen. Squirrel. Masculine is buck, feminine is doe. Swan. Masculine is cow and feminine is pen. There are some nouns form their feminine by adding es to the masculine. For example, masculine gender is host and the feminine gender is hostess. We have added ESS. Masculine gender is lion and the feminine gender of lion is lioness. Sometimes the spelling of the masculine noun has to be changed before adding ESS. For example, waiter, waitress. Students, you can see masculine noun is waiter and feminine gender is waitress, and we have changed the spelling. WAITER waiter, and now the spelling of waitress is WAITRESS. Now duke. Feminine gender of duke is duchess. Now emperor, feminine gender of empress. Students, you can see we have changed the spelling. Now sometimes a noun is made up of two or more nouns. Study this table to understand the gender change of such nouns. So masculine column is given and this is the feminine column is given. Salesman, saleswoman. Landlord, landlady. Stepfather, stepmother. Fisherman, fisherwoman. Manservant, maidservant. Grandfather, grandmother. Milkman, milkmaid. Now come to the exercise. In the first exercise you have given a box, okay, and you have to write these words in the correct columns. First, aunt. Aunt is feminine gender. Bride. Bride is feminine gender. Student. Student is common gender. Cow. Cow is feminine gender. Doll. Doll is neuter gender. Heiress is feminine gender. Widower is masculine gender. Duke. Duke is masculine gender. Cousin. Cousin is common gender. Peahen. Peahen is masculine gender. Watch. Watch is neuter gender. Bird. Bird is feminine gender. Schoolmaster. Schoolmaster is masculine gender. Nun. Nun is feminine gender. Wizard. Wizard is a common gender. Nephew. Nephew is masculine gender. House. House is neuter gender. Monk. Monk is masculine gender. Table. Table is neuter. And teacher is common gender. Now let's move to the another exercise. Students, state whether the highlight nouns are of masculine M, feminine F, common C or neuter gender. First, highlight. Students, you have to write these M, N, C or F to the highlighted words. So milkman is masculine, we will write here M. Princess is feminine, so we will write here F. Dog is masculine, we will write here M. Guest is common gender. Doe is feminine gender. Chair is neuter gender. Child is common gender. Host is masculine gender. 3 is neuter gender. Friend is common gender. Student is common gender. Now come to next exercise. Find these in the word grid. Feminine of ram. So feminine of ram is you. Students, you have to find it in this word grid. So feminine of ram is you. Masculine of doe is buck. Masculine of hen is roaster. Feminine of master is mistress. Feminine of bachelor is spinster. Masculine of goose is gender. Feminine of sir is madam. Masculine of lady is gentleman. Now you have to find all these in this word grid. Now come to the next exercise. Read these sentences by changing the gender of the highlighted words. Friends, you have to change the gender of the highlighted word. So, nephew, niece, hen, roaster, milkman, milkmaid, tiger, tigress, bachelor, spinster, mister, mistress, master, horse, mare, duck, drake, king, queen, fox, vixen. Now come to the last exercise. Fill in the blanks with word with opposite in the gender of highlighted words. Students, you have to write the opposite of the highlighted gender. So first is grandfather, grandmother, empress, emperor, bachelor, spinster, salesman, saleswoman, uncle, aunt, ram, doe, lion, lioness, goose, gender, Dutch, duke, nephew, niece. So that's it for today, students. In the next video lecture, we will discuss the another exercise of the chapter. Till then, you will fill this exercise in your book. Goodbye everyone.